Developed by Murata Manufacturing, Picoleaf is a thin and flexible film sensor that can detect bending and twisting. One example of Picoleaf being adopted is for pressing force detection on a display by applying bending and twisting detection. Picoleaf features a thin and flexible structure capable of being affixed to curved surfaces and narrow spaces. Furthermore, we make it using a plant-derived environmentally friendly material, polylactic acid. Picoleaf reacts to pressure, pressing force, and deformations, unlike capacitive sensors, which operate with the touch of a finger. Therefore, it allows operation while the user is wearing gloves or similar. In addition, Picoleaf can be used in devices that need to prevent malfunctions due to unintentional contact. We introduce the various features of Picoleaf here in a demonstration. Here is an operation demonstration with Picoleaf embedded into a stylus pen. Inserting Picoleaf into the grip allows you to use it as a seamless button that can switch between multiple functions with the pressing force of a finger. Moreover, you can also affix Picoleaf directly to a curved surface in this way. This means you can use it in devices with various shapes. Picoleaf can detect pressing force around water and even underwater. You can use Picoleaf in devices that use water such as washing machines. Furthermore, Picoleaf allows you to realize seamless buttons on metal housing. Picoleaf uses an environmentally friendly organic piezoelectric film whose raw material is the plant-derived polylactic acid. Organic piezoelectric film is a carbon-neutral material that does not increase the CO2 in the atmosphere in the life cycle of its manufacture, disposal, and disassembly except for the energy used in the manufacturing process. Picoleaf contributes to achieving the SDGs and a lead-free product compliant with the EU's RoHS directive. Murata Manufacturing's Picoleaf contributes to providing new functions and value to your products. We also provide samples and evaluation kits, so please feel free to contact us from our website.